Hello again, I hope you are doing well. Today we are talking about reported speech. Reported speech. Like this: I will call you tomorrow. He said that he would call me tomorrow or the next day. Let's talk about it more. Reported speech is used to tell someone what another person has said. Verbs and pronouns usually change in reported speech. So, in the reported speech, or we use it to tell someone what another person has said. And the verbs, the pronouns usually change in the reported speech. Now, here we have some examples. Let's look. We have something called quoted speech and something called reported speech, and this what are we going to focus on. Now, the first example is, I always drink coffee, she said. I always drink coffee. This one is in present simple. Present simple. So if we want to change it to reported speech, we change it to past simple. So I always drink coffee, she said. She said that she always drank coffee. So we change it from present simple to past simple. And in the reported speech, we add that. Another example. Bill arrived on Saturday, he said. This example is in past simple. Past simple. Arrived. If we want to change it to reported speech, we change it to past perfect. Past perfect. So, Bill arrived on Saturday, he said. In the reported speech, he said that Bill had arrived on Saturday. So, we change it from past simple to past perfect, which is had plus verb 3. Now, the third example is in the future simple, which is will. I will be in Geneva on Monday, he said. If we want to change it to the reported speech, we change it to would. So from will to would. I will be in Geneva on Monday, he said. He said that he would be in Geneva on Monday. So from present simple to past simple, from past simple to past perfect, from will to would. If the verb in the quoted speech is in negative form, use the negative form of the verb in the noun clause for the reported speech. Here we have an example to understand this thing. I haven't seen Mr. Chen yet, said the principal. Now here we have haven't. Haven't is in present simple, and it's negative. Haven't. So we change it to past simple, if you remember. So we take the principal, put it in the beginning. The principal said that he hadn't. So from present to past. Hadn't seen Mr. Chen yet. So we keep the negative in the quoted speech. We keep it in the reported speech. When reporting a question, you can use the reporting verb ask. So, when you want to report a question, you use ask or asked. Notice that the word order in reported speech is the same as in a statement. Let's have a look here to understand. When we report questions, the subject comes before the verb. Look at this. The quoted speech or the direct speech. Where are you going? Change it to reported speech as he asked. So in the regular or the normal sentence, we use said that. But in the question, we use asked. So he asked me where I was going. So present to past. Present to past. And we put the subject before the verb. So he asked me where I was going. Why is he shouting? He asked me why he was shouting. So again, the subject before the verb. And here in the present, here in past. What do you want? Present. She asked me what I wanted. What I wanted. So the subject before the verb. And you have to know that we don't add do or did in the reported speech, just in the negative form. Let's see, in the negative question. Let's have a look. When reporting questions, we don't use the auxiliary verb do, except in negative questions. So here we have, in the direct speech or the quote speech, who doesn't like cheese? Who doesn't like cheese? She asked me who didn't like cheese. So in the negative question, we add do or didn't, or don't. Okay, we add it in the reported speech. So here, let's have a look again. What do you want? Here it's not negative, so we didn't add don't or didn't here in the reported speech. But here, because it's negative question, so we added didn't in the reported speech. Now, use told when you want to identify who the person is speaking to. We use told to identify who the person is speaking to. Okay, the quoted speech. Your new friends seem nice, Chesa said to Rez. Now, if we want to change it to the reported speech, we say, Chesa told Rez that his new friends seemed nice. So we added told. Chesa told Rez that his new friend seemed nice. So from present to past. And that's it. I hope you understand everything I said. And if you have any question, ask me please. Bye bye.